Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Life Sciences lesson for grade 12, presented by Mr. Samkele Kunene. Today's topic is human endocrine system, where we'll be looking at these subtopics: endocrine glands and their location, hormone secretion and their function. By the end of this topic of this lesson, I'm expecting you to be able to define endocrine system, understanding glands, endocrine glands, and be able to distinguish between endocrine and exocrine system, hormone secretions and their functions. In our introduction, we are explaining what endocrine system is so that you'll be able to define and get better understanding on what is endocrine system. Introduction. Endocrine system is a system of internal glands or organs located in specific internal areas throughout human body. These glands secrete different kinds of hormones directly into the bloodstreams, which plays vital role in human growth, development, and homeostasis. These glands include thyroid gland, pituitary gland, pancreas, and many more. In our lesson, we will take a closer look on each gland, its location, hormone secretion, and responsibility. Before we go further, I decided that we revise gland and explain a little bit further endocrine glands so we understand and you are able to differentiate between exocrine and endocrine. The endocrine system is made up of network of organs located throughout inside human body. These organs are called glands because they have special character of making and secreting a chemical substances that regulate most bodily functions. These chemical substances are called hormones. You will recall exocrine system in grade 11 last year. We discussed exocrine glands, which secrete their secretion to the surface of an organ. The endocrine system is different in various ways since it secretes hormones direct into bloodstreams. Thus influence metabolism, reproduction, growth, and many other functions. It's also ductless, unlike exocrine, which may have ducts. These glands include hypothalamus, which is known as master gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus, pancreas, adrenal gland, and ovaries or testes. The last two glands we use "o" since it depends on one's gender, since they referred to as sexual glands. Let's look at each gland in the endocrine system, its location, and the hormone secretion. Let us start by hypothalamus, which is known as master gland. Is located deep in the brain just below the thalamus. It is in between the thalamus and the pituitary gland. It's very small in size, however, it plays a huge role in the endocrine system. This gland connects the endocrine system with the central nervous system. Recall grade 11, the central nervous system. Also stimulates the secretion of ADH in the pituitary gland. Basically, hypothalamus makes hormones and store them in the pituitary gland and instruct the pituitary gland what to do with the hormones. Therefore, it is called master gland. The next gland will be pituitary gland. which is located below the hypothalamus. It takes the instruction from the hypothalamus, which is the master gland, and pass it on to other glands. It secretes a hormone called prolactin, which is a hormone responsible for making up milk during breastfeeding period in women. It secretes antidiuretic hormone, well known as ADH, which control blood pressure and control body water balance through its effect on kidney. Also growth hormone and other hormone, which we'll discuss later when we are discussing hormone secretion. Pineal gland and thymus. I decided to put this one on one slide so that I may save your time. The pineal gland is located in the midline of a brain. It secretes a hormone called melatonin, which prepares one's body for sleep. Like it's signs tiredness, or when it's late you can feel your eyes and stuff. That's an example of what this gland do. It communicates with you that it's time to sleep. Melatonin gland. I think that's better example. Thymus gland is located behind the breastbone, here by your breast. It's located behind your breastbone, in between the lungs, for making it's responsible for making up of white blood cells, which are also known as T lymphocytes, which fight against infections in the blood cell, in the bloodstreams, or in a human body. Thyroid gland and parathyroid gland. I also combined this one in one slide for time management. Thyroid gland is located on the front of one's neck. It secretes thyroid hormone called thyroxine, which facilitates growth and metabolism in human body. So thyroxine will facilitate growth, how you grow, and metabolism. Then parathyroid glands. The reason why we say glands is it's not just one gland, but it's a pair of it's a pair of four glands, four small glands. They are very small, located behind the thyroid gland. They play a vital role in the health of one's bone. Their secretion stimulates the level of calcium and phosphorus in human body. Pancreas and adrenal glands. Pancreas is located between the stomach and the spine. It makes and secretes insulin and glucagon, which are hormones responsible for body sugar level regulation in one's bloodstreams. And the adrenal glands are located on each kidney. Here, where your kidney are located, it's where adrenal glands attached itself. So it's in the pairs. It's in pair. Since you got two kidneys, that means you got two adrenal glands. Each kidney there's an adrenal gland attached, and the responsible for this gland, it secretes a hormone called adrenaline, which is responsible for preparing one's body for a danger by making a temporary changes in one's body. Like if you are in danger, you will be able to decide quickly how to react to protect yourself. Like you can open your eyes wide and run, just run. It is this gland responsible for that kind of action. Yes. They also secrete corticosteroid, which controls oxygen intake, metabolism, blood flow, heart rate, and sexual function. This is all for the glands. Uh, Conclusions. We will conclude on endocrine system is a very important, and if it's not healthy, it may cause disorder in human body and sickness as well. Unfortunately, we cannot finish in one day. Among the hormones we did not touch their functions is a male testis, which secretes and makes which makes and secretes testosterone that facilitates puberty stage in men, like puberty hair and the facial hair. You see, it just facilitates puberty stage, and to females ovaries, which secrete estrogen, which is known as pregnancy hormone, and progesterone, which facilitate a menstrual cycle and also puberty stage in female. Unfortunately, we cannot finish everything today. Just go home and think about this, and and learn. I hope you have learned a lot. Have a blessed, super day. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.